Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to focus on 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. Our first example problem is 48 times 35, and I'm going to go through step by step how to solve that problem. So we always want to start multiplying in the ones place, so we are going to multiply 8 times 5. 8 times 5 equals 40. Since our product is more than 10, we do need to regroup. The 0 and 40 goes in the ones place. The 4 and 40 gets carried over to the tens place. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit the like button. 4 times 5 equals 20, plus 4 equals 24. When you regroup, remember to add the number that you carried over to your next answer. That's very important. A lot of students forget to do that. So far we have multiplied 48 times 5. The next step, we have to multiply 48 times 3. Before we do that, we got to put a 0 in the ones place because both digits in the ones place have already been multiplied. So now we are multiplying the top 2 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. So 8 times 3 equals 24. 4 carry the 2. 4 times 3 equals 12, plus 2 equals 14. Now the final step, we have to add these two numbers together. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 0 plus 1 equals 1. And we have our final answer. 48 times 35 equals 1,680. All right, moving on to our next example problem. Again, 1,680 is our final answer. It's the Mr. Camilleri show. It's the Mr. C. It's the Mr. Camilleri show. Shout out to Mr. C. All right, next example problem, we have 39 times 24. So we are going to start in the ones place. We always start in the ones place. 9 times 4 equals 36. The 6 and 36 goes in the ones place. The 3 gets carried over to the tens place. 3 times 4 equals 12. 12 plus 3 equals 15. Now before we multiply the top 2 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place, we need to put a 0 in the ones place since both numbers in the ones place have been multiplied already. Now we're going to multiply the top 2 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. 9 times 2 equals 18. 8, carry the 1. 3 times 2 equals 6, plus 1 equals 7. Now to get our final answer, we have to add these two numbers together. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit the like button. So 6 plus 0, so we have to add 156 plus 780 to get our final answer. 6 plus 0 equals 6. 5 plus 8 equals 13. 3 carry the 1. 1 plus 7 equals 8. Plus 1 equals 9. And we have our final answer. 39 times 24 equals 936. All right. Moving on to the next example problem. Shout out to everybody tuning in and everybody that hit the like button, or everybody that will hit the like button in the future. I appreciate you. So we now have 52 times 79. So starting in the ones place, 2 times 9 equals 18. 8, carry the 1. Every time our product is 10 or more, we will need to regroup. 5 times 1 equals 45. 45 plus 1 equals 46. Whenever we regroup, remember to add what you carried over. That's very important. You forget to add what you carried over, it will throw off the whole answer. And then it's always good to cross out what you carried over, what you used to regroup afterwards, so that way you don't get confused. So far we have multiplied the top 2 digits times the bottom digit in the ones place. Now we're going to put a 0 in the ones place since both digits in the ones place have been multiplied. Next we're going to multiply the top 2 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. 2 times 7 equals 14. 4, carry the 1. 5 times 7 equals 35. 35 plus 1 equals 36. Now to get our final answer, we have to add these two numbers together. 8 plus 0 equals 8. 6 plus 4 equals 10. 0, carry the 1. 4 plus 6 again equals 10, plus 1 equals 11. 1, carry the 1. 1 plus 3 equals 4. And we have our final answer. 52 times 79 equals 4,108. All right, that concludes my live stream for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri, signing off.